Edison, Jasmine, Hirama. Oh, I forgot to show ya. That's the first outfit. Sun, Grammar, Carmy, Coco. You know that new movie Coco? I like it. It's clean, easy. Oh, football, Buddy, and then Nicole. Like, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zach Rich. You already know. And like, today I'm finna show y'all all my money and like how good I am in Subway Surf. Well, I'm not that good. I just like use keys and stuff to survive. But like, it's not cheating. It's not cheating. Like, it's not cheating. Y'all see that? Y'all see all that money, bro? Like, y'all, I can get y'all that too. Like, literally, just subscribe and then like tell me, and then like leave a comment down below why you want the keys. Okay, so like y'all can see I'm trying to beat my Facebook friends, and like make sure you go to Instagram and follow me. Y'all see Lynn, that's my cousin's mom. And then like it's this dude named Xavier, and like the reason I'm using Tagbot is because like I need to beat this key hunt. And then like when y'all leave a comment down below, I'm just going to just tell me your Subway Surfer name in the comment section too. And then like I can just like add y'all on Facebook. If y'all got Facebook, I can just like send y'all the hack how to do it and something. I'm joking. I don't know the hack. It's only my brother. But like all that stuff, and like I'm real good at it and all, but like just make sure you add me on Facebook, and like I'm trying to get about like at least 12. Y'all see that? That's me. That's my high score right there. And like I gotta try to beat that. Y'all see that tag bot? When I do that tag bot thing, I'm just gonna kill myself. Like I'm actually kind of good. But like that high score, the only time I can beat that is if I lose like a lot of keys until like it says like use like 2,000 keys. That's the only way I'm gonna beat it. Cause like that's like hard to beat it without using keys, unless like you're a pro at Subway. Like if you're a tryhard, like me, I'm not a tryhard. It's just I just use like all my keys to beat my high score. But like, and like when my brother just attacked me, I was like so happy. Oh, roll 50, 40 times. Why did I say? Why did I say 50? I meant 40 times in one game. I did that. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, need to get that. Oh, yes, just the T. But like this tag block thing, that's a mission, and then I'm gonna have to use that cowboy girl, that cowgirl boy, whatever it is, and then like to do it, like, and then like I'm gonna show y'all all my people, cause like I know y'all, if y'all know y'all haven't had Subway Surfer that long to see all the people, but I'm gonna show y'all all the people in the whole game. Like I got everybody, but like when you have everybody, like you gotta buy every outfit. And there we go. Let's go, man. There we go, bro. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm finna open this chest. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that I don't care. I don't care. Okay, and like now I'm on her. Kim, that's her name. Kim. Okay, and like I'm literally lagging. Okay, like don't look. Don't. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes, cause I don't want y'all to see everybody that quick. Just close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close them. Close them. If you didn't close them, just close them. Okay, now y'all can open them. And like y'all see, y'all got this alien girl, Spike, every outfit. I bought them, I had to buy them. Fresh Trixie Boombox. He only have one outfit. This like he's my favorite player. He's my favorite player. Like, and then Jack, whatever, Dino. And then when you get the thing, you don't have to subscribe. You don't have to sign up for Facebook thing. You don't. This guy, this hippie guy. Him. I know y'all have to see him because like he's already on there. Sophia, Benjer, him, Edison, Jasmine, Hirma. Oh, I forgot to show ya. That's the first outfit. Sun, Grammar, Carmy, Coco. You know that new movie Coco? I like it. It's clean, easy. Oh, bye-bye. Buddy, and then Nicole, like Elf Trixie. She cool. That's clean. And then this Lunar, Mammy, Zombie Jake, Gia, Diego, Nick, Lee, Slam. Okay, I'm trying to go faster. Just like make sure y'all look at the thing. Just make sure y'all do that. Just make sure y'all can see it. Like, I'm not gonna go too fast, but like I'm gonna go fast. So like this don't be the whole video. The whole video and Kim, the whole video, I'm gonna try not to make it a whole hour, cause then like I know y'all don't wanna watch the whole video a whole hour. And like yeah, I think we're almost at the end. And like yes, you do get actually every person in the whole game. Y'all see, you get every person, bro. You get every person. See, you get every person. And like I always wanted him. He is so fresh, Prince K. And you do get every hoverboard, but like you gotta buy the special stuff. And like the old hoverboards, you get everything, bro. You get all the hoverboards, and like you do unlock some keys, and like that's cool too. But like, see, like I'm just keep lagging, bro. And like we still got like a whole 56 minutes. I don't know. Okay, so now I gotta try to do Kim. What did I do this? Hex 2000. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so like, and like this game is pretty easy. We have like everything you need. Like literally, like this game is really fun. That's why I play it a lot. Now I gotta beat my high score. Great. Already. that fast. Wait, like, why am I keep losing my hoverboard, bro? That's the thing I don't like. Like, literally, dude, like, I have like 560 hoverboards. I bought that. Yeah, did I get it? Yes, I got it. I didn't think I got it. And like, this hoverboard can pick up anything. It can pick up anything. Like, when you're above it, just... Like, see, look, watch this. You'll see that? It just comes up to me. I don't know why, but, like, it just does it. That's why I like this hoverboard. The other one I had, it was super speed and, like, jump high. I mean, double jump. But, like, this one jumps high and double jump. No, no. Stupid mutt. Okay. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part in the video? Okay, but like I'm not gonna make this video too long, but like I'm gonna make it about like 50 something minutes. I don't know, but like I'm not gonna make it that long. Usually my videos are like 15 minutes or something like that. Like I might not even post this video. I don't know why, but like I think my favorite video that I made, I think is the one when I was playing Block Strike. Like I think that was my favorite one. I think I said Block Star Planet on accident. And like yeah, if you play Movie Star Planet, make sure you add me, please. And my name will be 810-1. And like I won't be on for like 3 days because I got banned. I did a bad thing in there and I got banned for 3 days. I don't know why it was 3 days. They should have banned me longer, but like that's kind of stupid for just like banning me. Haha. No! That was the M! No! That's totally no fair, bro. That was like the M. Dude. That was the freaking M. Bro, that's messed up. That was the M. I could've, if I would never chose the jetpack, I would've chose the M. Like, you should know that, bro. Let me look at my missions. I'm just gonna skip them. Let's get complete. I'm just gonna keep skipping them. Jeep. Okay, let's go. Okay, and like, and Subway Sir, and there goes my M. Oh, let's go, boy. Let's go. He just said, "Bah." Okay, so I think I got like 3 or 2 boxes. Oh, 1 and 2. I don't need stupid trick. I've been having Trixie. Dang, how much water hunts are there? Name, what is his name? Izzy. Wow, Izzy. Should I do it, y'all? Should I do it? Should I stop the video? Should I stop the video? Should I do it? I'm stopping the video. I'm stopping. Well, everybody, that's it. I'm joking. I'm not gonna stop it. But I got the diamond in that. I just need that. I'm going to find a way to how to get those. Like, I can just go look it up. But like, I really thought they were going to give me everything. And yes, y'all can see I'm the top one in all of, and like everything. Y'all see, of those, collect money. Nothing. I can't collect no money. Because my friends don't like to send me money. And like, hey, phone, no. Why did I click it again? Just phone, just hurry up. Come on. I got about like, it's only been 12 minutes, bro. That's me. I need to go to the shop. Bro, why am I keep lagging, bro? I might go play a different game because like, I'm keep lagging. I don't like it. Open box. Buddies. Open box. And like, you do have unlimited money on here. Like, you can't run out of money. But you can get more money. And that's the reason I like this hack. You don't run out of money. But like, I'm gonna go play a different game. I'm gonna do the word hunt later. So like, I'm gonna play this stick-made fight game. I'm pretty good at it. 2 players. Yeah, I said 2 players. Editor. I'm ready. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna make my game. Nope. I don't like this. I don't wanna make a game. Nope. G. Let's go. Oh, so now where am I? I'm the green dirt. Nope. Yeah. Come down here. Fight me. Nope. Come down here, bro. Come down here. Come down here, bro. Should I go get that? No. Huh? Like, y'all. Dude, come, yo, dumb tail. Down here, dude. Just come down here. Bro, just come down. Chill down here. I can't get up. Oh my gosh. Let's go for that. 3, 1, 2, get. See, like, he ain't gonna come down here. Watch. Come down here. Yeah, no. No. I want to fight somebody. Like, see, he's not even gonna try to come down here. Like, he's scared. Yes, come down. No. No. I don't know how to jump high. I literally don't. Yes, come down. Oh my gosh. Okay, forget it. We're gonna go try a different level. Oh, what? I hate this level. Why do they start us at the bottom, bro? I don't like this level. Like, why did they start us at the bottom? Okay. Oh. Okay, so like, they try to make you die. Okay, so like, let's go, 18. Let's go, 18. Let's go, 18. Let's go, boy. Let's go. 18. Let's go, 18. Okay, but like, I'm not gonna try to. I'm not gonna do this no more. I know. Oh, what? Okay, so like, you ready? Okay, I'm done with this. Cheater! Bro, that's messed up. Dude, come on. Okay, blue killed the top one. Oh, that's a lag. I'm gonna keep playing. Let's get it. Okay, let's go. Come on. I'm gonna keep playing this. Let's go. Like, what the heck? I'm just like so good at this, dude. Well, that is all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. We're gonna try one more time. Let's go. Come over here, cat. We're gonna play. We're gonna still play. Oh, no. Okay, and y'all, that is it. That is it for the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, y'all. And peace.